Why are so many car guys warning you about German luxury SUVs? The real reasons will shock you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 reasons nobody tells you, starting with a huge hit to your wallet. Real talk? Sure, they're beautiful, but that initial sticker price, it's just the tip of the iceberg, trust me. Look, a Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 can hit nearly 70 grand. That's a serious chunk of change to start. Everyone talks horsepower, but nobody talks about what happens after the purchase. This is where it gets interesting. Here's the thing nobody tells you. German luxury SUVs plummet in value faster than you think. That shiny new X5 or Q7, after 3 years, you could lose 40% of its initial value. Easy. Don't at me, but this depreciation hit is far worse than many other premium segments. It's just facts. Okay, so now let's talk about the dreaded maintenance bills. This is where your wallet truly screams. Ever priced a headlight assembly for a GLE? You'll need to take out a second mortgage, no cap. And then there's the specialized labor. Not just any mechanic can touch these complex machines. Compared to a regular SUV, these German beasts can cost you double or triple for basic services. They pack them with amazing tech, right? But what happens when that tech decides to act up? Honestly, hot take, but sometimes more tech just means more problems waiting to happen down the road. The air suspension, amazing when it works, a nightmare when it fails, and it will fail eventually. This isn't a simple part swap. We're talking specialized tools and often dealership-only repairs. Only the 3% of people who truly research know these hidden pitfalls before buying. You're one of them now. If you already hit like, thank you. If not, there's still time. So the depreciation hits hard, and then you're stuck with these massive repair costs. Double whammy. Some say they're reliable, but many owners report recurring electrical or sensor issues past 5 years. That 375 HP GLE? Impressive, sure, but how much of that are you really using day to day?
The truth is, for most drivers, that raw power translates into higher insurance and more fuel consumption. Let me tell you, there are plenty of less expensive SUVs offering comparable real-world driving experiences. For me, the performance premium just isn't worth a long-term headache. What do you think? All right, you've heard about the money pit and the tech woes, but the number one reason? It's deeper. It's about the emotional and financial commitment you're unknowingly signing up for, beyond the sticker price. You're often locked into dealership service for years, losing the freedom of independent mechanics. This means paying top dollar for every little thing just for that certified stamp. It's the hidden tax of luxury. The complex tech, while cool, practically forces you into this cycle. Well, not exactly. You can't escape the ecosystem. And when you go to sell it, that depreciation combined with specific buyer demand for perfectly maintained cars, it's not just the money, it's the stress of maintaining a perfect, high-tech machine over time. The real reason? German luxury SUVs demand a level of unwavering commitment and financial sacrifice most aren't ready for. They offer amazing luxury, but at a cost far beyond the initial purchase. It's a lifestyle choice, truly. If you made it this far, here's a secret. Extended warranties are often more expensive for these than for other brands. So, would you still buy a German luxury SUV or opt for a Japanese premium brand? Come at your choice. All right, you've heard about the money pit and the tech woes, but the number one reason? It's deeper. This is MotorFlashTrend, bringing you the honest truth. You won't hear this anywhere else. Like this video if these insights shocked you, and subscribe for more real car talk that no one else dares to share.